Hi, my name is Joanna. I'm a slow fashion designer, embroiderer, illustrator, and style mentor. In this episode, I will show you how to embroider a colorful composition on a sweatshirt to express yourself in style. During online workshops and courses, clients ask me what the latest trends are and what they can wear to look good. I have been working in the fashion for over 15 years, and I know that the clothing industry manipulates our emotions and profits from our feeling of inferiority. We have the right to express ourselves with clothes in freedom, and trends can be only inspiration, but we don't have to follow them. Trends change at a tremendous pace. But hand embroidery has been in fashion for centuries and continues to add value and luxury to clothes. Embroidery is timeless, diverse, unique, and can be easily adapted to personality. That's why on this channel I show you embroidery as a tool that helps to give clothes a personal touch and even something more. You will discover it yourself. Your style also says something about your way of looking at the world. I experience it myself and I see it every day teaching women how to create a style consistent with personality. I know that sometimes it is difficult to allow yourself creative freedom. I blocked my creative powers for many years, which caused many crises in my life. I have learned many of these life lessons and I would love to share them with you. Taking small steps is very important. Courage comes with every, even the smallest artistic experiment. Okay, let's start creating. The list of necessary materials and tools is in the description below. In the previous episode, I showed you how to create a unique ring inspired by abstract art. In this episode, I will show you simple organic shapes, leaves and small flowers from which you can create your embroidery composition. I embroidered the twig with a stitch that I also show exactly in the course available on the channel. However, I create the leaves in a different way by sewing a loop of thread in the middle, thanks to which horizontal stripes are created and the leaf looks very light. This stitch is very good for embroidering on stretch fabrics because it works with the fabric. I created this pattern completely spontaneously. I let my imagination flow freely because for me, creating is connected with experiencing something more, a higher divine power. Try embroider little stitches between the leaves. You can use several colors that will give the composition lightness. I often experiment with combining familiar stitches with new ones. I'm learning to freely use the power of imagination to create patterns without fear because embroidery can always be changed. This approach also makes it easier for me to take on various life challenges and teaches flexibility. Thanks to it, I discover new possibilities and see more small miracles. Making embroidery and painting make me feel less overwhelmed and stressed. I talked more about that in the intro of the free embroidery course on my channel. I also experience wonderful warm energy from the satisfaction that I made something beautiful from start to finish by myself. Sun, the warm energy of life, is one of very important elements on this composition. In my projects, I try to convey not only beauty but also a symbolic message. Light, the sun, is a sign of hope and joy in my life. I decorate them with beads to make them more shiny and visible. I started this embroidery without a plan, but with just a feeling. I let myself be drawn by the energy of my heart. I wish you will have the courage to create your own patterns and express yourself with a unique style and embroidery. Stay creative and have fun! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It will motivate me to create more videos for you. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and creative ideas.